Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating an isolated environment and choosing a framework. This keeps dependencies predictable and deployment simple. Once done, scaffold the app. For Flask, create app. Pi and routes, for Django, run start project and create an app. Make sure to pin versions and requirements. TXT, so you reproduce the environment later. Initialize Git now so every change is tracked. Commit the minimal working scaffold. This first phase focuses on reproducibility and a runnable starting point. You will implement the core logic and data layer that power the site. Start by mapping routes to handler functions or views, then model your domain with an ORM and run migrations to shape the DB. Once the backend responds correctly, connect templates or return JSON for a front-end SBA. Use blueprints or apps to keep code modular. This reduces coupling and improves tests. Finally, verify request validation and error handling so the application behaves correctly under real inputs. You complete the process by packaging and deploying the app to a server or cloud service. Build a Docker image or configure Unicorn behind Nginx. Set environment variables and secrets securely, and enable logging and health checks. Once deployed, run smoke tests and enable CI to catch regressions. If something fails, start by checking server logs, confirm migrations ran, validate the virtualenv and dependencies, and ensure no port conflicts. These quick checks resolve most deployment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.